Hello, welcome to 𝗍𝗶𝗍𝗄. I'd like to introduce you to the 𝗍𝗶𝗍𝗄 hinge system, Metalla, for all your concealed applications. This is our standard type 110-degree hinge. We're showing it here with cover caps, so it covers the screws, gives it a nice premium look. We've actually got it available in lots of different angles and lots of different applications. It's also now available with the darker on-trend finish colour, which is more of an anthracite to match other products that are available in the kitchen market. Again, available across all ranges. Comes with a 25-year guarantee, and we're just about to launch the new inline plates, which means you don't see the screws on the standard hinge plates. So again, it almost looks like a concealed hinge. It's available from 𝗍𝗶𝗍𝗄, 25-year guarantee, the Metalla hinge system.